Welcome, curious minds, to Financial Whiteboard World. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the fascinating realm where psychology meets finance. Prepare to uncover the intricate ways our minds influence our financial decisions. Let's start with the psychology of spending. Ever found yourself making impulsive purchases? It's not just about desire, it's about psychology behind those decisions. Our brains are wired to seek pleasures, and sometimes that translates to unplanned spending. Consider the scenario. You're having a bad day, and the little retail therapy seems like the perfect pick-me-up. Understanding the emotional triggers behind spending can empower you to make mindful choices and avoid unnecessary expenses. Moving on to the psychology of saving. Why is it challenging to stick a saving plan? Our brains are often wired for instant gratification. Long-term goals can feel distant, making it harder to resist the immediate pleasure. Picture this: you decided to save for a dream vacation, but daily temptation make it difficult. We'll explore strategies to align your financial goals with your brain's natural tendencies, making saving a rewarding experience. Now, let's delve into the psychology of investment. Fear and uncertainty can hinder investment decisions. Understanding the emotional aspect of investing can help you navigate the markets with confidence. Imagine this: market fluctuation, tiger anxiety, leading to impulsive decisions. We'll discuss ways to manage investment-related stress and develop a resilient mindset for a long-term financial success. To wrap up, we'll explore strategies for cultivating a healthy financial mindset. From mindfulness practices to gratitude exercises, these techniques can positively impact your relationship with money. And there you have it, an in-depth exploration of the psychology of finance. If you found this insight enlightening, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more captivating journeys into the world of finance. Until next time, keep sketching those financial dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard World.